To use your laptop as a display for your Nintendo Switch 2, you need the free software OBS, an HDMI splitter, and a video capture stick like this. There are a lot of options when it comes to these capture sticks. Some are cheap, like mine here, others have more quality to them, like the Elgato Camlink, but you absolutely need a video capture stick to project your console. And you also need an HDMI splitter, because without the splitter your screen will remain like this. In a previous video I have been asked if you really need a capture stick if your laptop already has an HDMI port. But this stick is not a simple adapter. It doesn't just create an HDMI port. It has a chip that converts signal so that it can be received. Laptops always distribute signal. They never receive. Laptops are programmed to only project, not receive signal. This stick reverts that. It makes your laptop able to receive signal, to receive the image. And I have also been asked before if you really need a splitter. And yes, you need one. The Nintendo Switch 2 has HDCP embedded into its USB-C port. HDCP is a protection that doesn't let you project the image. An HDMI splitter bypasses HDPC. Without the splitter, you will see this on your laptop. But with the splitter, you get the image. This trick works on every console that has HDMI. And if your console doesn't, you can buy an adapter that converts it to HDMI. Also, I won't get into which capture stick or HDMI splitter is the best, I'm just showing you how to connect it. Okay, let's get into the specifics of how to set up your Nintendo Switch. Okay, what you have to do is to put the HDMI from your Nintendo Switch, the end that you would have put into your TV, into the input slot of the HDMI splitter. Then use another HDMI, and one end should be in the output slot of your splitter and the other end in your capture stick. Then connect your stick to your computer. Then download and install OBS on your computer. It's a free and open source software. You can just Google to find the download page, or you can look in the video description. Also, what I'm showing you in this video works on both laptops with Windows and Linux, and on MacBooks. Once you install OBS, click on the plus icon under Sources, Video Capture Device, you can name it however you want, press OK, and from this drop-down menu under Device, look for your capture stick. Select it and press OK. If you get a screen like this, don't forget to plug in the HDMI splitter to the power outlet too. Now to get sound, press on the gears here, and on the name you have saved your stick, select Monitor and Output. And now you should hear the sounds from the console. And to make it full screen, right click on the Nintendo Switch 2 projection in OBS, open Preview Projector, and choose the display that you want the full screen to appear on. That's it. I hope this video helped.